సమాజంలో పర్యావరణ స్పృహ కాస్త పెరుగుతోంది. స్వచ్ఛంద సంస్థలు పొడమి సంరక్షణ కోసం కృషి చేస్తున్నాయి. ప్రభుత్వ శాఖలు ఎకో పాలసీలు రూపొందించి ప్రజల్ని చైతన్యపరుస్తున్నాయి. అయితే వ్యక్తిగత స్థాయిలో ఎవరికి వారు ప్రకృతికి అనుకూలంగా జీవన శైలిని మార్చుకోవాలి. ఈ దిశగా జరుగుతున్న సంశోధన్ ఈ ప్రయత్నాలన్నింటికీ అనుసంధానకర్తగా పనిచేస్తోంది.
When we talk about environment, everybody says that they are the environment specialists, but actually it is not like that. They really need to work in depth in terms of policies, for policy implementation. They need to work for long-term strategies, for long-term impacts and the immediate benefits, the steps that can give them the immediate benefits. They need to work at these three levels. Sanshodhan, as a Sanshodhan, we created the first digital infrastructure for electronic waste management that helped the companies to connect directly with the recyclers. And throughout the process, we used to provide complete traceability and transparency that is really required by the government to look into the policy compliance. Specifically, if I talk about that is extended producer responsibility compliance, where the industries who are the manufacturers of electronic and electrical products need to take back the certain percentage of their production. Now, when we created this digital infrastructure, we got awarded by the World Economic Forum in January 2019 during the conference, World Economic Forum conference, that is also going on nowadays. So that was the first point when the world started talking about the waste management and circular economy into the electronics and electrical sector. Every industry is facing the resource scarcity. So if you say on the one side we are creating, say for example, lot of materials from aluminium, lithium and various other precious metals that are going into the waste stream. On the other side, we are trying to find out new mines, then extracting the new metals, then sending it to refinery and then bringing it again into the market. So what we see, one side we are wasting the same things that can go into there as a raw material for the production. So why don't we create a life cycle based approach so that we don't have to go throw this into the waste, but rather to create a cycle for using these waste material as a recycled material and bring back into the economy. Then 3R approach, we believe on 5R approach and 7R approach that goes as reduce, reuse, repair, refurbish, recover, recycle. So when we say when there is nothing left out, there's no possibility to refurbish or reuse, then we say send it to recycle and then recover and bring it back into the economy. So in today's world, if we say any organization, they don't want to go for one step at a time. When they are really talking about the green transformation, they talk about the holistic approach. And that's how we have introduced some of very unique products that are being introduced for the first time in the country and that help the manufacturing units and green products to be labeled as green product and that we name as recirculate. So when we talk about recirculate, it helps the companies for going circular and it is for three sectors. One is manufacturing units, second is offices and third is circular products. So once they qualify the criteria of recirculate, they are labeled as a circular office, circular manufacturing unit and circular product.